Hi, I'm Robin Haddow, a director at Quiklay Group Ltd. Quiklay is a contractor that carry out civils projects and groundworks. We work with a variety of clients including regional developers, large-scale developers, local authorities, landscapers, and the most important thing to them is a good quality service and a good quality product. We've been using Tobermore Secura Grand walling for about 7 years now on a variety of projects. We like it because it's a good product, it's easy to build, can be built in any conditions, and it also complements other services we offer. The benefits of Secura Grand retaining walls to our business are it suits well for what we do with our skill set of ground workers and our team. A lot of the guys can lay it, they find it particularly good to lay. It can be laid in many conditions and it also complements the other services we offer such as excavation, general groundworks, landscaping and concrete supply. We're currently working for Carmichael Homes, a long-standing client on this site here, which you see. It's one of a number of sites we've got with them at the minute. We've got a very good relationship with them and we work to find a turnkey solution for them for their groundworks and landscaping packages.
So my name is Steven McAfee. I'm Assistant Site Manager here at Carmichael Homes. So our aim at Carmichael Homes is to build 24 affordable houses for Stirling Council, and it's got to be a good quality standard. The relationship with Quiklay is really good. Working alongside Robin and the supervisor Connor, it's been really good. So it's a product we're looking to try and get on the parks for quite some time now. You can probably see the standard we're building just now with Quiklay. It's turning out to be a beautiful product. The passers-by in the street are actually commenting on it, so it's good to see.
We chose Tobermore Secura Grand retaining walls for this project for a variety of reasons. Firstly, it's a product we're familiar with and we know we'll get a good result with it. Secondly, the constraints in this site for space and time made the Secura Grand a very viable option. As you'll see behind me, the wall is going up very well and it's got a finished face to it, so there's no further works required once it's built.
So the Secura Grand retaining wall, it's fit for purpose, and the speed it's going up, it's helped us massively on site. The Secura Grand wall looks amazing. We've actually got a Stirling Council who we're building the houses for, a representative. He's actually commented on how well it's going up and how beautiful it looks.
In general, a lot of our customers want to create more space. They maybe have a piece of land, a garden or whatever, and it's unusable because of a slope or a hill in it. So quite oftentimes when we excavate it, we need a solution for a retaining wall that's both quick, efficient and cost effective, while also maximising the space available. Secura Grand ticks these boxes. We can do a turnkey solution for a client from start to finish the project, and when the Secura Grand's up, the job's finished. The service offered by Tobermore is second to none. We found them very helpful from the inception of an idea and a design right through to delivering the blocks to site, and even some of the aftercare that we receive from them. They've always been on the phone if we needed them. They've helped us get designs sorted and over the line, and importantly they've worked with us on projects to get things to an acceptable cost level. Along the way I've got a lot of help from Chris, our regional manager, who's always at the end of the phone with some of my silly ideas, and we always get there.
Quiklay are a long-standing customer of Tobermore's, and when Robin and the guys came to us looking for a cost-effective solution that would increase their efficiency on site, Tobermore Secura Grand was the perfect solution for them. So in the beginning we provided Quiklay with samples to make sure the product matched up to what they were requiring. We then put them forward for a free prelim design service that is done by our in-house designers, and after that was sent to a formal design. It's been fantastic working with the guys at Quiklay and Carmichael Homes, and I can't wait to see this relationship grow more in the future.
So working with Quiklay and Tobermore has been excellent, and the service you get is second to none.
I highly value our relationship with Tobermore. Tobermore and Quiklay have worked well together, providing solutions for clients on various sites, and hopefully this continues long into the future.